Hey there, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah, where we talk about planners and self-care. And today's video is my small planner haul that you will probably only see for 2024. So I have finally received my daily Petite planners so I can set up my daily planner for the year of 2024. So if you guys want to check out this mini haul and review and flip through, then keep on watching. Hey, welcome to the channel. So glad that you have stopped by and clicked on this video. It really helps me out. I'm Sarah, all things creating, planning, yet keeping things fun and functional here for you. And today we're going to talk about my daily Petite planners and what I ordered, open it up, flip through them. So let's jump right in. I placed a small haul with Erin Condren, mainly to get my daily Petite planners, which is 4 little booklets here. And they only came in one design, which was the Wildflower collection. Not really my favorite. I'm more of an Eddie girl, or Hello Kitty, or Star Wars, or just something more bright and fun and colorful. But this will do because I really enjoy this planner, and I can use stickers or washi to cover up some of the designs. I mean, don't get me wrong, again, this is really, really pretty, but it's just not my first pick. So again, this is called the Daily Petite, which is their daily planner. They do have other Petite planners that you can set up in a little folio like this. It's kind of like a traveler's notebook. And so make sure you subscribe so you can see my next video where I will have everything set up and just do an entire flip through. I'm not gonna have like a sit down setup because that video can be very long. So I figured I would just set everything up and share with you a flip and walkthrough. So definitely, if you're interested in any of these products, there will be a link down below. I do have a referral and an affiliate link. I'm still continue to be an affiliate with Erin Condren because their affiliate program is very low key. And I did read some of y'all's comments, and you said if I do have a link, why not use it? So I will have that one linked down below if you guys want to use it. And of course, I always appreciate y'all's support. They do have other Petite planners if you're interested. Again, I've talked about that in my other videos, like meal planning, wellness. They actually have a pet planner. I don't know if they still have that one, but like self-care, just different topics for you to plan. Let's go ahead and open up these Petite planners here. Okay, here are the 4 little booklets, and they are sectioned into 3 months. So you have January to March, April to June, July to September, and October through December. And I will go ahead and briefly tell you what's included just in case you're new. So it includes daily spreads, 3 colorful monthly spreads, 1 sheet of metallic gold functional stickers, and 1 sheet of heritage and awareness observances stickers, which are normally in the back. So let's just take a look at the cover here. I mean, again, this is really, really pretty. I do prefer the Wildflower compared to, I think what they had last year. I think it was something Blooms. This one's just a beautiful line art with a little bit of metallic and watercolor effect to it. I mean, it's really pretty. And then on the inside, you do have like your cover page, and then you do get your 3 months. And then the 3 months has like a little bit of the design up at the top. Let's flip through here real quick. So you do have like those florals up at the top. So far, not a whole lot of like design if you don't like a whole lot of florals, which I like it to be very simple and clean and not like boom, florals in your face type of girl. That's just me. And then the back, you do have a folder with those metallic sheet stickers. These are just like functional stickers. I don't really use these too much. I try to, and this year is my year to use up my stash and kind of like not buy any planner supplies. And then here's your heritage and awareness observances stickers. So it's just like extra monthly celebrations if you want to track that. And I believe with the metallic stickers, they are all different, but let me just check. Usually they are a different metallic. Oh, so far we have gold. Maybe they changed that because I think they used to be a different metallic, but nice. I'm kind of glad that this collection it's all gold, so you don't run into different metallics if you don't like mixing metals. You want to keep it more streamlined, so that's a bonus. And let's flip through what the daily is. So this is the daily spread, and it's 2 days on one page, except when you get to the weekend is Friday on one page, and then Saturday and Sunday is split on the second page. And you'll see that it doesn't have like this 3-sectional block. It just has like a checklist and then like a blank space. Typically that's good for me because this is a daily, this isn't like your weekly view. So it's just really easy just to set a checklist here, and then you can put over here what things are going on that day. So say that you have a checklist to do, you know, around the house, or just things you need to get done, but this is where you're going, or this is where I'm going out to eat, or if you have plans, you can set that here and what time and all that. So that's basically how I use the daily for the weekend. And then on the daily, like weekday side, I use these blocks to section out my day. You can actually make your own timeline. Like if you need, say for instance, you go by an hourly, you're used to using an hourly layout, you can just put in those times in here. So most of the time, that's how I plan order of the day. But you could also, again, section this out by topics. So say you have self-care, say you have dinners and what you need to do to prep for that. And say the last one is homework or projects, appointments, and then over here could be a checklist for what you got to do around the house or cleaning things. And then this area down here, you do get like this mini month. That's on, I guess, typically the left side of the page. I don't really use that. So you could cover that up and put like a quote sticker there, or a verse of the day if you do verses of the day, or an affirmation or something. So there's so many ways that you can customize the daily for you to use. That's why I really like the daily Petite planner. So now that I've given you kind of like a rough idea of the daily planner and the layouts, I'm just gonna quickly flip through the colors. So you can see that it's like a really neutral color palette. It's very soft and subtle. And each month is a different color. And it all kind of goes together with this design, the Wildflowers collection. But if you've checked out my, I have a playlist of plans with me's that I've used the Daily Petite. This will be my 3rd round of completing this planner. And so you can easily just cover up the blocks with washi, the lines up here with whiteout, and add stickers or washi. And you can see that the colors kind of repeat themselves. But yeah, it's just a really nice planner. It's very portable, you know, and petite. You don't have to have it in the folio. You could just take this around with you. If you're looking for a daily, I think this is a great option. So I did pick up that. And then also what was new is the Folio on the go. This is an insert organizer. It keeps everything together on the go. It's like a little storage system. And this one's new. They upgraded it and put like little asterisks on the front with, you know, like cute foiling. So I just decided to pick this up because I wanted to, you know, pick up the new one. The one I have doesn't have this design on the front, so those were the old ones. But you can see that it's just a little cute organizer. It has this large pocket, and on this front side it has 3 small pockets, and then on the inside it has the 2 medium pockets. Let me show you an example of the one I have right now. So this is the insert. See, it doesn't have like that cute design, but what I like to do is design my pockets. So I just take stickers and scrapbook paper and maybe some cute quotes, and I kind of just design mine for, you know, the season that I am, or if I'm in a certain mood, or if I need to be more motivated to hit a goal or reminders, then that's what I kind of would put here. And so this one's like a self-care one. And then on the back side, I think sometimes I've had stickers in here, so like all the sticker samples that you get or freebies from orders, you can put in here because I think this is like a card size. But I also have like these little quotes. These are just cute design quotes from, I think they're called compliment cards from Erin Condren that you will get in your order when you order a life planner. Typically is when you get these. So those fit in here, and I'm glad I picked up another one because sometimes these, when you start to use it a lot, they wear down and they split. So you can try to fix this. Just open it and just leave it as one big pocket, because that way you could use this space to put like a full sticker sheet or like a 4x6 sticker sheet or something. But you can see that's kind of tearing there. But in here I had like this fun little notebook. These stickers are from Happy Planner. And then they used to have like these clear glitter sleeves, but they don't no longer have these anymore. And then this is just another notebook. So these are just little notebooks. I really didn't use this too much towards the end of 2023, just the daily. I just, took it around with me. And again, here's the large pocket in the back to put stickers in. So there's an idea of the organizer. And the last thing that I picked up was a cute cover. Now, you guys saw me unbox, Erin Condren had sent me the new Hello Kitty Special Edition planner, and they also sent me a exclusive Hello Kitty stationery box set. So those were two separate things, but I just did it all in one video. So the planner, I had gifted it to my oldest because she said she wanted to use it. So I'm hoping she'll use it, because if not, I'm definitely going to take it from her. But the cover is just so cute. So I decided just to pick one up for myself because this is just adorable. So Erin Condren has these interchangeable covers, and they're just like a cute laminated cover. And then on the inside it has like these dashboards which you can use their wet erase markers for. I typically don't use the insides, but I just couldn't pass up this cover. It is just so dang cute. So that was my order from Erin Condren that I was waiting for to start using my daily planner. So I will get started on setting this up in my folio. I'm going to change out the color. Erin Condren does have different colors for folios. I have like a rose gold and blue. I'm leaning towards the rose gold because I don't think I've used that color yet. So stay tuned for our setup video and walkthrough, but thanks so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.